how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a skull with a witch's hat, another Halloween request, and that's it. So let's get started, okay? It's going to be easy for beginners, so stick around. Really short, by the way, really, really short. It's going to be like a 5-10 minute thing, not even that maybe. I'm going to go over here. It's going to be the edge of the skull right there, over here on this side. Just kind of mirroring that as well. Edge of this area of the skull, most of the eye socket. Line across, curve, and we're gonna make a marshmallow-like shape right there, and we're gonna make another marshmallow-like shape right there. Let's go over here. Complete triangle, also kind of marshmallowy, meaning it's gonna have rounded edges. And something you can do is you can kind of just, well, we'll do it later. Actually, I was gonna say you can kind of fill that in, but that's all right. Gonna go down over here. Curve in, up a bit, line across, down, like with this protruding area, cross over here, and up there. And so very simplistic skull, right? Something that I think anybody can do. Down over here for the bottom part of the jaw, pulling up. And then same thing, you can draw these protruding shapes. Looks almost like Legos or something. Very, very simple stuff. It's pulling up a little bit. We're gonna line across, out over here, out over here. It's gonna be a witch's hat, right? Line. By the way, there's a bunch of different ways to draw a skull, a bunch of different ways to draw a witch's hat, a bunch of different ways to draw a ghost, all this stuff. That's why we have playlists on this channel. There's a Halloween drawing channel, right? We have playlists. Go check out the playlist section. I'll put it in the description as well. But there's so many different ways and styles to draw a skull in many different fashions. So I encourage you to go check those out, because one of those might be more your style as well. If you want like a more serious one, let's go over here to the hat. And I am pulling this kind of almost stair step thing on the top. Up over here, down, like so. And there you go, you have a simplified witch's hat. Really simple stuff. Now I'm going to fill stuff in. So for example, right here, I'm going to fill in all but a strip of that. Same thing on this side. Fill in all but a strip of this. On over here, down. All but a strip of that to make that look a little bit like it's what do you call it? Looks like the inner workings of that area, and that's what's cool about it. You can kind of like manipulate stuff that way. Line over here. If you want to learn how to draw anything, by the way, anything in general, go to the official website at sketchingeasy.com. There is a beginner drawing lesson over there. Go check that beginner lesson out. It's very, very informative. You will learn, let's say you have shaky hands, it will get rid of shaky hands in like a week or two or something. It's really, really effective. It's completely free. There's no sign up even. It's just literally embedded videos that are already there. So go check that out if you want to draw better in general. Sketchingeasy.com, and then click the dragon. I'm filling in this except for a stripe of that as well, because the witch's hat is also going to be, you know, entirely black except for line across and line across here, and this can be kind of like a belt, right? But everything else is going to be filled in except for that strip of white over there. The strip of white is usually indicated, it's indicating light, like there's a light source coming from the left side, and the reason that's good is because it just has more going on. And it gives it more of like an illusion of, I mean, it is detail, so it just gives it another detail in there. I was going to say illusion of detail, but in reality, it is detail. Let me know what you guys are going to do for Halloween. I'm curious. Halloween's going to be a really fun time, and I have no clue what I'm dressing like for Halloween, so yeah. But we're already getting the season started, so I'm pretty happy about that. All right. There you go. Really, really, really simple stuff. If you want to throw a color in, absolutely do that. I'll put like an orange here for the just on the hat, as you know, just on the belt of the hat here. Why not?